No, dude, you're good. You're good, dude.
Well, let's try starting it again.
Hey. Just the steam, the smoke.
I think it's just smoke because I painted everything. I don't think there's an exhaust leak.
You don't?
I don't.
No, I don't think so either.
Well, we'll let that shit cool off for a little bit.
How's, did you shut it off or did you just let go?
I shut it off.
Okay, alright.
I saw the smoke.
Oil pressure looks...
Oil pressure is good.
Okay.
Voltage is good.
Fuel pressure is...
I didn't even look because it was running.
Okay.
No wideband. So before I do much more, I want to get the wideband going. But let's eat.
Okay.
Dude,
Where's your dinger at? Where's your dinger at?
Underneath.
So I'm hearing it through the firewall.
Yeah, through the firewall.
Okay.
Alright.
Fuck yeah, dude. Nice.
So it starts. Just because I don't trust my electrical system yet, I'm disconnected the battery.
Fair enough. Fair enough. It works.
But dude, that thing started right up.